Welcome to my channel, Health and Fitness. Today, we are telling about tips for healthy skin. Achieving and maintaining healthy skin is essential for overall well-being, from proper skincare routines to lifestyle habits. There are various factors that contribute to skin health. Let's start the video. Don't forget like and subscribe. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your skin hydrated, which can improve its elasticity, texture, and overall appearance. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and increase your intake if you're exercising or in a hot climate. Number 2. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate. Lack of sleep can lead to dullness, puffiness, and dark under-eye circles. Number 3. Protect your skin from the sunlight. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial for maintaining its health and preventing premature aging and skin cancer. Apply a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to all exposed skin, including your face, neck, ears, and hands. Thanks for watching my video.